This will be a quick and dirty tutorial on how to use Reaper software for the purpose of recording audiobooks or narration. This will presuppose that you have figured out how to use your microphone, but in case you haven't, options, preferences, go to device, and you'll want to select your device, okay? Very easy. One other thing you're going to want to do is go into your options tab, make sure that record mode normal is set, automatically scroll view during playback, and continuous scrolling are both checked, okay? Next, go to preferences. Going to go to editing behavior, move edit cursor to the end of recorded items on record stop. Make sure that is checked, okay? First things first, right click in this little blank spot here, and you're going to click insert new track at the very top or press Ctrl T. A couple things showed up here. Up here, this is what we call a track, okay? This is track number 1. Now it needs to listen to something. Ideally, that'll be your microphone. If you already have that set, this will work. Now, click this button, and now it's working. I'm going to click that little speaker twice because otherwise you're going to be listening to it in real time. Basically, this software is set up as if you were in a recording booth and the artist is in a different room, essentially, because this is professional level stuff. Now, normally, in order to record an audiobook, you would basically just hit record, read an entire section or read an entire chapter, whatever you're doing, and then finish by editing out all of your bad takes, stitching together what is left, and publishing it. So, that's freaking tedious. Let's fix it. You're going to go up here to Actions. You're going to click Show Action List. Now, your record key by default is Control R. So what we're going to do is click Find Shortcut and then press Control R. And look at that. It pulled up record. It won't be at the top. This is just how it works. Come down here to this little box. Click Add and then click whatever you want to be the key that will record and stop recording. Okay? Do the same thing with undo, which by default is, of course, Control Z or Z. Set that to something else. And then one last one that I highly recommend you learn is the end key. You can reset that to whatever you want, but I keep it as end because that's just what I'm used to. I'll explain what that does as we go. So, we have this highlighted, which means everything that we record is going to go here, okay? So, I have rebound record to my plus key. I'm going to press that now. We're going to leave a little bit of space at the head of each new clip, and we're also going to leave a little bit of space to trail behind each new clip. What this does is it allows you a huge amount of space to go in and get rid of any background noise or sounds that might come from using hotkeys like this. Now let's say we're reading along, we're doing our voiceover, our narration, our lines, whatever it is, and we're kind of tired of this particular take or we goof up a line. We're going to stop. Now we're going to press undo, which is this. And now this little blue line, this is what's called the cursor. Not your mouse, this is the cursor, all right? What the end key does is it brings you to the end of a particular track that you have highlighted. In this case, track number 1. Look at that. We're all the way back at the beginning now. We can hit record and try again. Super simple, right? Why aren't there any frickin' tutorials on how to do this? Anyway, that's the end of it. Bye.